my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and on today's video, I'll show you how I make this beautiful Valentine's Day centerpiece. Let's get started. These are the items that I'm using today. I'll leave a list in the description box below. To start this project, I added some E6000 to my glass. Then I added my pearl trim. Now, it's important that you let this pearl trim set for a little while so the E6000 can take place. And then I'll go ahead and I'll start adding more E6000 and wrapping the pearl trim around the glass. But be sure to let the pearl trim set because that's the most important thing. You don't want that to come running down on you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding some E6000, and then I'll start wrapping my pearl trim. And I find it a little bit easier if I turn the glass upside down. Now I want to try to keep this trim close and tightly wrapped. So I'll wrap a little bit at a time and just go slow with it. And just adjust the pearls as you go. Be sure to check out my video on elegant champagne flutes for more ideas on how to decorate these beautiful glasses. I'll leave the link above. I'm using the E6000 because I want a more permanent set. Be sure to take your time down here too. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. Now that my pearl trim is glued down and secured, I'm going to go ahead and add my flowers. I got these flower picks from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll cut it off of the pick. Hold this really close. And I'll use my hot glue to start gluing it onto the glass. And this hot glue will give it a quick set. And I think I'll put this white one a little diagonal on here. And I got these jewel scatter hearts also from Hobby Lobby. So let me just see where I want to place them. A little hot glue on here. I'm just going to place it at an angle. Look at that. And then we'll do a second glass the same way, and we'll work on our candle. I'm going to use this wine glass for my candle holder, and I use the same process to add my bead trim. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my little hearts. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. Add this one. And this is what my candle holder is looking like. And this is what my Valentine's Day centerpiece looks like. You can leave it like this with the glasses as toasting glasses, or you can add the water beads and just leave it as a centerpiece. So let me go ahead and add some of the water beads. I added a rose inside the wine glass and a candle on top to complete my candle holder. And this is it with the water beads. Thank you for watching my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.